Are you struggling with slow hair growth? Well, this one ancient ingredient might just be the game changer that you've been looking for. It is all natural, powerful, and works just like magic to boost your hair growth and strengthen your hair strands. So, why does it work? Well, this secret ingredient is called clove, right? These tiny buds, mighty flower buds, have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and they are packed with antioxidants, antimicrobial properties, and essential nutrients that promote hair growth. If you've not heard of cloves before, this is exactly what it looks like. The buds are so small, and this is the shape that it comes with. It is indeed small but very powerful. So if you're struggling with thinning or weak hair, cloves can help strengthen your hair strands and prevent breakage. And now I'm going to show you how to make cloves water for hair growth. I'll begin by measuring my 1 tablespoon full of cloves, and then I'm going to add 2 cups of water. This cup is measured 250 ml. So I'm going to be adding 2 cups of the 250 ml water cup, which is going to give like 500 ml. Please ensure that you're using clean water, and also ensure that your jars and your working space are clean. So I'm going to be leaving it to sit for 24 hours, and after 24 hours, this is what it was looking like. Fun fact, you can actually infuse clove water for up to 3 days or even 1 week, and it will not get spoiled. And this is because cloves can naturally fight bacteria and fungi, as it is rich in antimicrobial, antifungi, and antioxidants. However, be mindful when you're infusing it for more than 7 days, because the longer you leave it, the stronger the smell will become. Alright, so after infusing it for my desired time, I'm going to strain it, and this is what it is giving us. This rich color smells so good that I was even tempted to drink it, but the taste is not so good. Alright guys, so I'm going to pour it in this container, because to demonstrate how I use it, I'm just going to be pouring it over my hair. Alright my beautiful people, it is application time, and yeah, this is our clove water. So you can pour it in the spray container and just spray it on your hair, but I'm just going to be pouring it on my hair, okay? And yeah, for maximum benefit, please use this clove water 2 to 3 times on your hair every week, okay? And also please be mindful when you are using this clove water, because it can dry out your hair if time is not taken. And now, to prevent it from drying out your hair, what you can do is to apply your oil immediately after using this clove water on your hair. Make sure that you go in and seal your hair with your favorite hair butter, okay? I always recommend using a hair butter unless you want to apply leave-in conditioner and then your hair butter. For storage, you can actually leave it in your kitchen counter until you use it up, and it will not get bad. But you can as well save it in your fridge, okay? So guys, if you've used cloves water before, and you noticed dryness, it is probably because you did not use it correctly. So like I said, please, once you finish applying this on your hair, don't forget to moisturize and seal your hair with your oil and your butter. That way, cloves water is not going to dry out your hair. Another important tip is to massage your scalp. Very, very important, as this will help to stimulate hair growth. Now, for precaution purposes, please, before using clove water, always do a patch test to avoid any allergic reaction. And if you noticed any irritation, please discontinue use immediately. But I tell you, if you are consistent, you will start noticing stronger, healthier, and thicker hair in no time. So guys, will you be trying clove water for hair growth? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section, and please don't forget to give this video a like, share with your family and friends, and subscribe for more amazing hair care tips such as this one. My name is Favor, and I'll see you guys in this video next.